Here's an easy way on how to add a checklist to your Trello board. First, go to your Trello board. You will see the cards that you have created. So, for example, I want to create a checklist for each day on my week 1 for this month. So, I will go to Monday, click the Monday. You will see the checklist on the right side. Click checklist and add a title to what this checklist is about. For example, Monday, I need to do groceries. So click add, and then you can just add the items that you need for your groceries. So for example, you need to buy bread, okay, and you can also add another group of checklists that you need to do during that day or the tasks. Okay, so for example, I need to do cleaning on Monday. So what area do I have to clean? So let's say office, bedroom, and living room for today. Okay, and you can just go back, close this, and you will see here a number of the checklist that you need to complete. So for example, if you have already completed the groceries, click all the things that you've bought, you can just click them and you will see your progress here. And that's it. That's an easy way on how to add a checklist to your Trello board.